Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're breaking down LLM ops, what it takes to build real AI apps.
So you've probably used ChatGPT, but building a real app with it? That's a whole other story.
All right, here's the plan. We'll define LLM ops, walk through its life cycle, and cover some key engineering challenges.
It all really kicked off with ChatGPT. This boom created a need for a totally new way to operate.
And that new framework is LLM ops. Basically, it's a set of best practices for managing these apps.
Okay, so let's look at the life cycle. It's really a four-step journey, from idea to deployment.
You start by picking a model, adapting it for your needs, testing it, and then shipping it.
First up is selection, and right away you've got a big choice to make with some major trade-offs.
So, do you go for the raw power of a proprietary model or the flexibility of open source?
Okay, next up, adaptation. How do you get a general model to do exactly what you want?
The most straightforward way is prompt engineering, crafting the perfect input to get the right output.
For something more advanced, you can fine-tune it, which means retraining the model on your own data. And this leads to a critical choice. Do you use retrieval augmented generation, or RAG, or do you fine-tune? Think of RAG as giving the model a cheat sheet. It finds relevant data and adds it to the prompt.
Fine-tuning is different. It's like sending the model back to school to become a specialist in your data.
So, which one's right for you? It really just depends on what your app needs to do.
But there's way more to this than just picking a model and writing a good prompt.
As Martin Fowler points out, good old-fashioned software engineering is absolutely essential.
You have to test everything, not just for the right answers, but also to defend against attacks.
And just like with code, you should refactor your prompts. Making them clean and clear is a game changer. So you've built your app, but how do you even know if it's any good? That's the challenge of evaluation.
The outputs can be so creative. So how do you actually measure performance with hard numbers? Well, you rely on key metrics. For RAG systems, that means checking for things like faithfulness and relevancy.
This field is changing every single day, so the big question really is, what's coming next?